Hi, now I'm showing this example that I built for this food ordering platform. So this is one example of the merchant. Actually, this platform can cater for all different kind of merchant, food merchant or F&B merchants. Okay, so now I'm do some demonstration on how this works. So basically, for the customer, they only have to paste their customer details here and names, phone numbers, and their delivery address. And then next thing they have to select is the delivery area. So like let's say for example, some of the delivery area right might require some additional cost. So this one can be added through the merchant panel. Merchant can be they can log in and change these settings. So and here is the menus, all the items that are available for this merchant. So here I show how to make the order. Okay, so now here is select the quantity, and also this one is to select the selection of the mee lah. Let's say I want this mee goreng, and I want bihun goreng, right? So I just select bihun. Then next thing, if I want more mee, then I just check this one. It will have additional 50 cents. Okay, and then next thing, let's say I want more chili. So if let's say I want to add some remarks to this seller, okay, I can put remarks. Let's say I want less oil. Okay, I will just after I done with this, I'm okay with this. Then I just click the plus sign. Oh, it will show please select quantity. So because I forgot to select quantity, okay, select one and I add. So successfully added. So I scroll down. Okay, here is my order summary lah. This is the item I just selected just now. So mee goreng, and is there's a remark with this red button here, and I want bihun, and I want more mee, and more chili. So it's quite flexible for the customer to select this one. And also if let's say I want to send it to Toa Payoh, it has a $1 extra. So this order is $4, total is $4. So I just click the place order. Oh, it show I didn't put my name, so here I can select my name and phone number and address. Okay, after I put it in, I just click again this one and yes. So okay, once the order is placed, right, it will show the order number. So for the customer, they have to remember this number. And for the payment method, this one it can be set by the merchant panel. Later I will show also. So once the order is received, right, it will have this notification. To receive the notification, so have to install this apps called Pushover. Pushover have this feature to receive notification also on iPhone or Android or even desktop like this one. So once I receive, like let's just now, right, I order something from this store and the total is $4. Then I click in and I click view order. So once I click in, this one is only for merchant, merchant to check. So we show the name of the customer, address where to send, and send to Toa Payoh area. Then what is the item? Then what are the add-on prices here? Okay. Also this summary, the total. So for this one, for the merchant, right, they can straight away print this page from their receipt printer or any home printer also can be printed lah. This page is quite flexible. So now I'm going to show the backend part. So what every merchant they will have this account provided. Once they log in, they will see this. They have two sections for this is the dashboard. After they log in, they can see the total amounts they already gathered. So they have two sections. One is all totals, and this one is only today's totals. And all the totals is excluded the cancel order and deleted orders. So here I'm going to show how to add products in. So click products here. So if the okay, here the some of the example I already added in. So if let's say I want to add product, I just click add. And here I can select image, I can put product name, I can put SKU, price, and some other selection. uh, Here is need a little bit extra ways to have to make it works lah. I will show an example that I already added. So let's say I did this coffee. Yeah. So let's say for example, coffee we have a lot of different selection. Like let's say I need cafe, I need latte. Let's say I need a cappuccino. Let's say I need mocha, matcha, or americano. So because this price is the base price, right? If let's say cafe latte is going to be cost for $5.90, and let's say I for cappuccino actually is needed extra 50 cents. It's just add one plus behind the name of the product and add the amount of 0.50 here and ended with a comma. If let's say the comma didn't put right, just straight away enter, so it will just show as one item like that, as just one item. So no matter if let's say you put the comma like this one, it will consider two items. So the comma is will be the divider for two items lah. Same goes to the add-on. So here I have like let's say I want to add cream, so it's free of charge. Let's say I want to add milk, it's going to be cost 20 cents. So it's going like that lah. So once it's okay, you can save the item. So for the description, because the description won't be showing on the front store, so actually can save the effort to put in lah. So to delete the item, you just press delete and confirm it would the item will be deleted. Okay. So now go to check orders. So I click orders. So here the orders I collected earlier. So I have these all three items. Okay. So like the earlier order I have is this one lah. Okay, 015, correct. So I can also view the orders details here. Once I click the blue button, right? Yeah, it will pop up and show the item details here. So and here in the status column, right, I can update the status. Let's say there's multiple status lah. If let's say the food is still under preparing, right, just select the preparing. If let's say the is under shipping, just shipping. So some customer may have some concern of the orders. They can change it to payment pending lah, so it won't be processing. So if you want to cancel the order, you just select cancel. Okay, and for the delivery and pickup, right here, this one is already set in. It can be added by system admin lah. So if let's say now is the selection is just GrabFood and Foodpanda or others. So when this only for customer reference only, it's not a integrated automated system from the Grab or whatsoever. It's just a manual information for the customer to refer. So if let's say the product is collected by GrabFood, then the GrabFood will provide a reference code, right? They will just key in and save it. So for the users to track the order, they can see the information. Okay, the information can be tracked on the storefront, where there's a function called check order. I will show it later. Okay, so here is how the orders is made. So next thing is the delivery function. Delivery means what kind of which area that your services is going to deliver to. So if let's say Toa Payoh have all different kind of area, right, and you might have some different charges on it, so you can add lah. Let's say go to quick add. Let's say I for Toa Payoh North, right? Okay, Toa Payoh North. Oh, spelling error. Toa Payoh. Okay. Let's say it's 50 cents. Okay, I just add. So it will add in, and after the item save, right, the status will show safe, meaning it won't show to the customer. So here you see, right, this only 3 items and here got 4. So to show to the customer, you will change, you have to change it to publish. Okay, then you refresh the front store, it will show up. Okay, if let's say you have no charges for some area, if let's say also Woodland, like that, Woodland, so you just leave this blank and add, so it will show also lah, 0 Woodland is no cost at all. So same thing, you publish it and you refresh the front store, you will see Woodlands is no additional charges. So it's just as simple as that. So the final function is called payments. For this one is the payment methods. For example, you can add whatever payment methods you have. Let's say you want online bank transfer, you can just add in. You have this COD, you can just add in, and you can edit these payment methods and put the information here, so that the customer can see the the information that you want to show them. Okay, so I close it. So to add, just click the quick add, then you can select touch and go, and also for Malaysia is have touch and go lah. Okay, so last one is to change the password lah. Now basically is just very simple function, so they can change their password, okay, from time to time. So I'm going to show how to check the orders. So because just now, like when we place order, okay, we have this order summary one. Okay, let's say I try another one. I add, okay, scroll down and I place order. So when I place order, right, I will receive this number. Okay, so I will keep this number for tracking. So I go to check order and I put the numbers in. Okay, so I check. So order status is pending because it's just new order, right? So if let's say the merchant, okay, they already received here. Okay, I change it to maybe it's preparing. Okay, saved. So I check again, so it will show preparing. If let's say the previous order I already changed to okay, now it pending, payment pending, but actually it's sent to the GrabFood already. So meaning the GrabFood sent over, then they have to pay the amount. Okay, see, now the notification is coming already, so I can click and check. So that is the full flow of this system. And at the moment, there are some feature that I still planning to add on, but this one can be add from time to time. But I think for the urgency of this MCO, right, I think you can go out and show this to the merchant that may need this one. So if you have anything, any question also, you can ask me also. Okay, thank you.